This is Unix lab exercise number 10, and in this exercise we are going to see how the interprocess communication happens by using shared memory. So here we have a simple program of addition of two matrices and giving the sum of the matrices, and for this we are going to use this shared memory concept. So initially I have done a C programming where in the void main I have declared a structure which is called simple, and then I have declared an integer two-dimensional array, which is the name of the array is A, and the dimension of that is 2 and 2. And also I've used the keyword struct for declaring the structure, and this is my structure object, that is pointer M is my structure object. Then we have a few variables I, J, ID, then SHM ID, shared memory ID, which is being declared here. They're all the integer values. Then my shared memory ID is equal to the predefined function, that is shared memory get, where I am passing the values ID, size of, and the structure, that is simple, the structure that I have declared here, into 2, that is the value, how many number of objects that needs to be created, and IPC underscore create slash then the value, that is 0666, and this is a function that is being called. Then my M is equal to shared memory at, then shared memory ID, 0, is being passed. Now I'm going to take the input of my elements, that is the matrix. So here the first matrix is being taken, the values are taken by using a for loop, where it is actually a nested for loop where I'm using I and J as the variables, and I'm going to take the values here. So you can see here, using the scanf statement, I'm taking the values of ampersand of M of 0. As I said, we are creating three objects here, so M of 0 and A of I of J, the values will keep on being added up. Then the second array also the same thing happens, using using a nested for loop. The values are being taken using the scanf statement, and here you can see that is M of 1. Then the third one, what happens here is, again using a nested for loop, the values are being added, as you can see here. M of 2 dot A of I j is equal to M of 0 dot A of ij plus M of I dot A of ij. So using this simple formula, and by giving the proper index numbers, we are able to calculate the sum of each of the parameters. And the third one is to print the sum of the matrix. So here also we are going to use a nested for loop, and by using the printf statements, M of 2 dot A of I in j is being printed. So now let's see how the outputs actually look like. I think it's taking some, yeah, WQ. So now let's compile this program. The compiling is done, and then now let's run the program. So here it says enter the first matrix. So let's say 3, 5, 2 and 2. This is my first matrix, and the second matrix is 2, then 2, 1 and 7. So as you can see, the sum is here. So it is 3 plus 2 is 5, 5 plus 2 is 7, then 2 plus 1 is 3, and then 2 plus 7 is 9. So the sum of the matrix is being brought down here. So this is using shared memory and how the interaction happens between the processes. So this is the end of the program. Thank you.